What is the scientific term for the voice box? Larynx. What is the purpose of the immune system? Fight of germs. What is the body's natural response to cold temperature? Shivering. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. Which part of the body helps you to produce sound? Mouth. Which part of the body controls voluntary movements like walking? Brain. What is the purpose of the spine? To give support. What is the scientific term for the windpipe? Trachea. What is the function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. What is the name of the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach? Esophagus. How many senses does the human body have? 5. What is the main function of the kidney? Filter wastes. What is the purpose of blinking? To prevent drying. Which organ produces insulin to regulate blood sugar levels? Pancreas. What is the main function of the liver? Produce bile. Which vitamin is known as sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D. Which part of your body is responsible for pumping blood? Heart. Which part of your body is responsible for thinking? Brain. Which part of the body helps you taste food? Tongue. What is the body's natural defense against germs? White blood cells. Which vitamin helps keep your bones healthy? Vitamin D. Which part of the body helps you see? Eyes. What is the name of the liquid part of your blood? Plasma. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell. What is the name of the hard covering that protects your brain? Skull. What is the main function of the heart? Pump blood. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which organ cleans your blood and removes waste? Kidney. What is the body's main source of energy? Carbohydrates. What are the tiny cells that make up our body? Skin cells. What is the body's powerhouse called? Brain. What is the main job of muscles in the body? Move bones. Which part of the eye helps you to see? Retina. Which part of the body helps you to feel things? Skin.
Do like, share and subscribe for more such content.
Thanks for watching.